TikTok Shop launched nationwide in the US, and for months, I completely ignored it. Then, I decided to test it out for just 30 days. The result? I made over $4,000 selling 3 products that I don't even own, ship, or handle customer service for. That's right, zero inventory, zero shipping headaches. I just make TikTok videos, and TikTok's fulfillment partners handle the rest. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain completely. I'm showing you my exact product selection process, the content formula that actually gets people to buy, my real profit margins after all of TikTok's fees, and my final verdict on whether this is actually worth your time. Let's get into it. So, what even is TikTok Shop? Think of it as an e-commerce platform built directly into the TikTok app. Users can discover, browse, and buy products without ever leaving their feed. The checkout happens right there. It launched in the UK back in 2021, but it only rolled out across the entire US in late 2023. There are 3 main ways you can sell. First is the affiliate model, which is what I use. You promote other sellers' products and earn a commission, usually between 5 and 20% for every sale. The best part? No inventory, no shipping, no customer service. TikTok and the seller handle everything. Second is the seller model, where you list your own products. You handle inventory and shipping, but you keep a much bigger cut, around 90 to 95% of the sale. It's more work but also a much higher profit margin. And third, you can do a hybrid model, sell your own stuff and promote affiliate products to diversify your income. Right now, TikTok Shop is available in all 50 states. You just need to be 18 or older with a US bank account and, of course, a TikTok account. So why is this platform absolutely exploding? The numbers are pretty staggering. They're projected to hit $20 billion in sales in the US alone this year. The average order is between $30 and $65, and the conversion rate is where it gets really interesting, 8 to 12%. To put that in perspective, traditional e-commerce sites are happy with 2 to 3%. The reason is simple psychology. On Amazon, you have search intent. People go there already knowing what they want to buy. On TikTok, it's discovery intent. You're just scrolling. You stumble upon a cool product in a video, and the impulse to buy is way stronger. It's a totally different mindset. Now for my product selection strategy. I had 3 main criteria. First, the product needed to have a high perceived value but a low actual cost. It had to look expensive but actually cost between $10 and $30. More importantly, I had to be able to show a cool transformation or demo in under 60 seconds. Think of a portable blender that looks like it's $80 but actually costs $28. Second, the product had to be visually demonstrable. The before and after has to be satisfying to watch. Think about cleaning products, turning a dirty surface spotless, or kitchen gadgets making a tedious task look easy. If you can't show it working in a short video, it's not going to sell. And third, there had to be proven demand. I wasn't trying to invent a new market. I looked for products that other creators were already selling successfully. You can see their view counts, which validates that people are interested. I researched by looking at the popular tab on TikTok Shop and searching the hashtag TikTokMadeABouit, which has billions of views. So, the 3 products I chose were a portable smoothie blender, a pack of reusable silicone food storage bags, and that super satisfying car cleaning gel. The blender had a ton of successful videos already. The bags had a great eco-friendly angle, and the cleaning gel was a perfect low-cost impulse buy, because watching it work is just so satisfying. What did I avoid? Fashion, because of sizing issues and high returns. Electronics, over $100, because people hesitate on big purchases. And anything that required a long explanation. If you can't get the point across fast, it won't work on TikTok. Setting up my account was pretty straightforward. To be an affiliate, you generally need at least 5,000 followers. If you're selling your own products, you can start with 0. You go to the TikTok Seller Center, sign up as an affiliate, enter your info, upload an ID, connect your payment method, and wait for approval. I had about 8,000 followers and got approved in just 2 days. Once you're in, you go to the product showcase to find items to promote. I looked for commissions between 10 and 20% and only chose products with great reviews. You can then add these products to your showcase. A huge red flag is a seller requiring you to buy a sample first. I avoided those. There are 2 ways to link products. You can pin them to the Showcase tab on your profile, which is passive but has a lower conversion rate. The best way is to add an in-video product link. When you're editing your video, you just tap Add Link, select the product, and a little orange shopping bag appears on your video. This method converts 5 to 10 times better. Now for the content strategy that actually converts. My formula is simple. The first 3 seconds are the hook. You have to show the transformation or the result immediately to create a curiosity gap. For example, this $12 gel cleaned my entire car. Next, the demo, from seconds for 2:30, just show the product in action. Don't talk too much. Let the visual do the work. Show the before and after. Then, from seconds 31 to 45, add social proof. Say something like, over 12,000 of these sold just this week, or this has 4.9 stars from 8,000 reviews. Finally, the call to action in the last 15 seconds, tell people exactly what to do. tap the orange shopping bag to grab yours. Let me give you a real example. For the portable blender, my hook was, this $35 blender is better than my $120 one. The video got over 87,000 views and sold 127 units, but the car cleaning gel video was the real winner. The hook was, the most satisfying $12 you'll spend. The video got over 200,000 views and sold 547 units. It went semi-viral. From what I've learned, a standard conversion rate is about 0.1 to 0.3%. That means for every 1,000 views, you can expect 1 to 3 sales. The things that boosted my conversions were prices under $35, a clear visual transformation, and good product ratings. So let's break down my 30-day results. Week 1 was a learning curve. I made about $67. In week 2, the car gel video took off, and I earned over $1,800. Week 3 and 4 were about consistency, adding another $2,000 to the total. In total, over 30 days, I posted 34 videos, got over 667,000 views, and sold 844 products. So, is it worth it? Let's look at the pros and cons. The pros are massive reach potential, a low barrier to entry, high conversion rates, and fast weekly payouts. The cons? It requires consistent content creation. The commissions per sale are lower than other platforms. Product quality can vary, and you're at the mercy of the algorithm and TikTok's rules. My final verdict is this: TikTok Shop is absolutely worth it as a supplemental income stream. Don't make it your only source of income because it's too dependent on one platform. But as a way to make an extra $2,000 to $5,000 a month, it's fantastic. If you want to get started today, your first step is to get to 5,000 followers. Post 2 to 3 videos daily and jump on trends. Then, apply for the affiliate program, research your products, and start creating content using the formula I shared. Test about 10 products, see what sells, and then double down on the winners. The opportunity on TikTok Shop is still very early in the US. The window to get in before it gets saturated is probably the next 12 to 24 months. If you're going to try it, now is the time. For me, this 30-day experiment was a huge success. It's a great low-risk way to earn extra income, and it's now a solid part of my overall strategy. Thanks for watching. In my next video, I am going to compare TikTok Shop directly against Amazon Associates and YouTube affiliates to see who comes out on top. Let me know in the comments if you've tried TikTok Shop. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.